got a big tram, that's why not easy to do. See the another one do that? Do it again. I want to see it. Ah! So big. I thought that the dog from up there, they don't drop that high. That's why they not miss that.
Yeah.
Are you done yet? We're gonna walk past. Gonna walk through. Hurry up. That is so cool the way there.
Big,
Huh?
big video.
Yeah. Right over there to another one. Alright, we're gonna go through, okay? Ooh. Sorry. Oh, he already get that. Yeah. You done yet? We're gonna walk through. Gonna walk through. Look like he done.